Very good evening, everyone, my dear GW soldiers. Very good evening, very good evening, very good evening. First of all, kindly let me know, am I audible? Audio video is clear? Yes, Sima, very good evening, very good evening. Audio video is clear? Sima? Yes, Gokhlesh Kumar, very good evening. Well, so, my dear student, yes, Gokhlesh and Sima, once again, very good evening. We wait for 1-2 minutes, then we start. And, Bacho, today I am going to start the subject DBMS, Database Management System. I am Vijay Agarwal. I am taking the GATE class here, and I will take complete subject of this DBMS, and definitely you will get the advantage. You will get lots of tricks, lots of concepts, and you are able to solve most of the GATE questions. Although today my throat is not good, but I'll try to give my best. So first of all, each and everyone, acha audible is audible. So can I start, everyone? My dear student, can we start? Shall we start? Kokle, Seema, this is not a crash course. This is not a crash course, Sudeep. Seema, this is not a crash course. Daily 1 hour I will take, and I will try to complete each and everything, the all GATE question. Okay, bacha? Seema? Deep? Koklesh? Clear. Very good, Koklesh. And what is my symbol? You know. Don't worry, you will get it, each and everything. Now, today we are going to start the subject of DBMS, lecture number 1. So, in this subject, we discuss first of all introduction of DBMS and FD concept. Today class we will discuss. Before starting, my dear student, I want to tell you what is the lecture schedule here, what is the syllabus. DBMS, database management system, are broadly divided into 6 part. You can say 5 to 6 part. FD and normalization, transaction and concurrency control, relational algebra, SQL and TRC. Sometimes I make this one is 2 part, relational algebra and SQL and TRC. Then file organization and indexing, and ER model and integrity constant. These are the broadly, my dear student, 5 topics. You can say 5 chapters. Okay, each and every chapter play very important role. And what is the weightage? Although weightage is not fixed, but you can expect 8 to 9 marks or 9 to 11 marks maximum. But again, I am saying sometime 8 to 10 also. But this weightage is not fixed. It depends. Like in 2023, GATE 2023, only 5 or 6 marks question asked from this topic. 5 or 6, 5 marks question. 2 question for 2 marks, 1 question for 1 mark. So, although weightage is not fixed, but yes, this is on average weightage can expect, okay, in the upcoming year. So, when we are talking about FD and normalization, my dear student, and before starting, listen everyone, before starting this subject, listen everyone, what I am telling. All this I will cover. Yes, Adya Raj, very good evening. Very good evening. I will cover each and everything from the basic. Don't worry, if you are a beginner, yani you are reading this subject first time, then definitely you are able to get. Whatever we discuss, each and everything we will discuss completely. Don't worry. Okay, whatever topic we will discuss here, we'll discuss much. Don't worry about that. And it is not a crash course. So in a 5 days, 6 days, I will complete. No, my dear, daily 1 hour class. But what I require from your side, each and everyone to present in each and every class. Present in each and every class. That is the main point which is requirement from your side. And I will explain each and everything also. But what is the commitment from your side? You will be present daily 4:30 to 5:30, and the schedule is Monday to Friday. Okay, bacha? Weekdays Monday to Friday, 4:30 to 5:30. Clear? Now, whenever we are talking about FD and normalization, you think ki, sir, this is only one. Thank you, GATE EGCSE. And Seema, yes. JJ, yes. So, bachcho, definitely you will get very good topics. And those students thinking, sir, we read like GATE EGCSE. है ना? Some time you thinking कि sir we read already in crash course. So one thing I'm assure you, you will get different content like the previous one from the previous. Okay, bacha? Now first we are discussing about the FD and normalization, FD concept first of all, then FD type, attribute closure and keys concept, super key, candidate key, primary key and alternate key. Alternative, we will discuss each and every key. Then we will discuss Vocalist just is starting and it is not a crash course. We have to finish. Okay, give your best. I am giving also my best, and we both together, each and every student and me, will try to complete this subject in very good approach. Okay, and with all gate questions, finding multiple candidates keys and membership set, equality between two FD set, minimal cover, lossy and lossless join, and dependency preserving. Then we will discuss the normalization. First of all, why there is a need of normalization and what are the normal forms, 1NF, 2NF, 3NF and BCNF. Then I will start the second chapter. In second chapter, you will read transaction concept, acid property, schedule. Schedule may I told here serializable schedule, either conflict or view. What is the testing method? Conflict equivalent is what? And what is the difference between conflict schedule, conflict serializable and conflict equivalent? And what are the problem due to concurrent execution and recoverable and cascadeless schedule? And implementation, then we discuss log based protocol and its variant like 2PL, basic 2PL, regress 2PL, strict 2PL, conservative 2PL, time stamp based protocol and Thomas Wright rule we will discuss. Sima, and how many? See, there are 5 classes in a week, Monday to Friday, 4:30 to 5:30. What beta? I will again write on board also, don't worry. Then query language, we discuss relational algebra, its operation and drive operators also. Basic operators and drive operator we will discuss. These are the basic operator. Right now, no need to note down. You will get the PDF. And TRC, SQL and nested queries and each and everything we'll discuss. After that, we will discuss file organization and indexing part. In GATE 2023, one question from 2 marks asked from this multi-level indexing. Are you getting my point? Ask from multi-level indexing, spanned and unspanned, dense, sparse indexing type, multi-level indexing, B tree and B plus. We will discuss complete these topic in file organization indexing. After that, we will discuss ER model, and in ER model, my dear student, we discuss all the concept of ER. What is the ER model? Attribute, relationship set, participation, cardinality, strong, and we discuss foreign key concept. And after that, foreign key, we discuss whatever the constraint and query conversion of ER model to RDBMS. Sima is saying, sir, query is tough. Query is tough. Beta, we will take loads of question in query and loads of practice question and loads of gate question. Lots of gate question. Don't worry about that. Okay, bacha. One thing I can assure you, my dear student, if you attend the classes regularly, definitely you remove the phobia of DBMS, you remove the phobia of query language, you remove the phobia of normalization, each and everything you are get in very simplest form. Each and everything. I'll try to make simple as much as possible. Clear, bacha? Clear, everyone? Each and everyone clear? Now, these are the books: Henry Korth, Navathe, Raghuramakrishna and Utman. Basically, fourth I am using for transaction chapter. Navathe, FD and normal form, and this one is also FD and normal form I am using. This is I am using for query language. And this is also using ER and foreign key concept, and this one I am using file organization. These are the books which I am using for you. Okay, but don't worry, if you are reading Sham, if you are reading any book, that is very good. If you not reading, I will take that exercise question and that key concept. Key concept means not only about the candidate key, whatever the major concept I am covering. Don't worry about it. Okay, bacha? So, kare start. Now, before start, I am saying 1, 2, 3. What? First of all, you are asking what is the schedule? Timing is what? Timing is 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, 4:30 to 5:30. 4:30 to 5:30. This is the timing on daily weekdays, Monday to Friday. I will take daily 1 hour and I'm covering each and every. Okay, definitely you will enjoy. And what is my key concept? Key concept means what is my tagline? Again, I'm saying I don't want ki sir, yes sir, no sir, yes sir, no sir. If you are getting, then you can write C, stand for crystal clear. If not getting feel, you can write clear only. Otherwise, you can have doubt. Then you can ask your doubt, my dear student. And I am assuming you are only 10th or 12th pass. That's all. 10th or 12th pass. Mean to say you don't need any information about the DBMS earlier. If you don't know what is the meaning of DBMS, don't worry. I will take. Okay, bacha. So first of all, now acknowledge everyone. So I will start my session. Acknowledge. And this is Harsh Gupta. This is different from the crash course also. You will get some new concept, new technique, new things also. Don't worry. If you say, sir, only we done crash course, but a crash course is a crash course. This is not a crash. Okay. Here we will do lots of practice questions also and lots of gate question. Crash course, I didn't take so much gate question, but here I will take more or less, more and more and more and more gate question. Okay. Restart everyone. Now, introduction. And again, I'm saying some student having a problem. Some student having a problem. They also write in comment box, sir, please start from ER model. According to me, if I start from the ER model, okay, it is not problem in start from ER model. But when we start from interesting topic, then when we get to know the concept of RDBMS and each concept and normalization, then it's easy to connect each and everything according to me. If I start from ER model, then it is just like a theoretical class in the beginning. So what happened na, interest will not create. That is the point. So my dear student, I am going to start today's topic, introduction of RDBMS. So first of all, we are talking about RDBMS. But before RDBMS, you tell me what is the meaning of date. What we are discussing? We are discussing about the DBMS stand for DBMS stand for DBMS stands for database management system, sir. Database management system. Now you tell me what is the meaning of data. You tell me, beta, what is the meaning of data? Please let me know, dear. Let me know. Okay, very good, Sham. Everyone. Tell me first. What is the meaning of data? Yes. Data. देखो बच्चों, what happened? First of all, we have a data. Data is nothing. Data are the raw material or raw facts. Oh yeah, raw facts. These are the data. Raw material yeah, facts. Raw material or facts. When we process, my dear student, when we process on data, it become information. When we process on data, it become information, my dear. It become. बच्चों audio clear ना? Your chat is coming late, my dear student. Your chat is coming very late. That's why I'm asking. Audio clear? Shankar, Shankar, beta, you will get here more than crash course. More than, believe me, more than crash course you will get. Okay, so don't worry about that. As soon as possible, as soon as possible. So, my dear student, what I am now getting your chat. Now, listen, everyone. What we are discussing? We are discussing DBMS, Database Management System. A system in which database is represented in the form of, that I will discuss later. First of all, I will discuss. Yeah, data means what? Data are the, when we process on data, it become info. Information is nothing. It's a meaningful data. It's a meaningful data, my dear. It's a meaningful. And when we process, then it become data. Become, what is the meaning of database? Database is nothing, collection of logically related data. So they, sorry for inconvenience. Today I have a severe throat infection, but I will take the class. Class will not hamper. Don't worry. Or collection of Miller record. Collection of Miller records, might. This is the meaning of. After that, we are discussing database management. What is this? Set of program or software used, access and manipulate the data in efficient manner. Listen, my dear student. Once again, I am going to start. Today, we are going to start, my dear, DBMS. So, before starting the DBMS, we have to understand the basic terms. What is the basic term? First of all, what is the meaning of data? Data means what? Raw material. Yeah, facts. For example, Harsh Gupta is a boy. So, Harsh Gupta is a boy. These are the raw material. When we process, then I came to know Harsh Gupta is a boy. Then, if I am talking about all students here, then it become the database. For example, if I am talking about these students, Harsh Gupta, Shan, Seema, Sudeep, Shankar, GTG, CSE, Adya, Raj, each and every one, then it become the database of CS branch. Database of CS branch or database of DBMS class student. So what I am saying, collection of logically related data. What is the meaning of logically related? They all are logically related, belongs to the CS branch. A collection of similar record. Similar record means what? Similar record doesn't mean ki same value. Ki me having same value, each and every value, you having same value. Similar means all are having the same community. For example, all from the CS branch, all from the EC branch, then DBMS. Set of programs or software used to access or manipulate the data in an efficient and fast manner. But my dear student, this type of point will never ever ask in GATE 2025 also. GATE 2025 also. So don't worry about that. Now we are going to start the main point. RDBM. We have a various type of database, object oriented, this. Most of the popular, most of the famous is RDBMS, which is in your syllabus. So first of all, you tell me what is the meaning of RDBMS. Tell me what is the meaning of RDBMS, my dear. Acknowledge fast. What is the meaning of RDBMS? RDBMS is nothing. It's a relational database management. Relational database management system is a system in which database is represented in the form of table. Relation Relational database management system is a system in which database is represented in the form of relation. Now you have a question, sir, what is the meaning of relation? Relation father and child? No, relation means table. Relation means here table, my. Or we know from the childhood, table is a collection of row and column. Table is a collection of row and column. Table is a collection of row and column in which row is called tuple या record, tuple or records. Column is called field or attribute. Field or attribute. For example, I am taking one database, student. Student database, my student database. Just put your pen down. Just keep patience for 2-3 minutes. We have a student ID, then name, branch, gender, age. Okay. Now, what is happening? Have a one. Let's suppose we have a branch CS, IT, yes, IT, E, L. Okay. Gender male, 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 male. Age, let's suppose 20, 19, 21, 91. CGPA 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10. Okay. Clear, everyone? Now, I am asking some questions. I am asking some question, my dear student. I am asking some questions. Please listen, everyone. Please listen, everyone. I am asking some questions. First of all, my question is, what is the meaning of arity? What is the meaning of arity? What is the meaning of arity? Everyone participate. Everyone participate, please. Participate. Everyone, please participate, bacha. Yes, very good. Arity means what? Number of attribute. Bacho, one thing, this is the symbol and I am using this for number, hash. Or you know, it is the symbol of immediate addressing. Immediate addressing. And bacho, if you don't believe me, same thing when I started the crash course, that time this question I explain, and same thing in the first class of the PW platform, first class on PW platform, when I started the DBMS, very first lecture, and the timing is 8:20 a.m. 8:20 a.m. 8:20 in my very starting beginning slide, top starting 4 or 5th slide. And when I start, I mentioned what is the degree. Same question asked in GATE 2023. Okay, but that was very simple question. So here no need of point to take a credit. Don't worry, doesn't my mean. So what is the meaning of arity? Arity means what? Number of attribute. Number of attribute. Number of attribute. This is called arity, or this is also called degree. Degree or arity means what? Number of attribute. Then please tell me what is the arity. What is the arity in this case? What is the arity in this case, my dear? What is the arity in this case, my dear student? Tell me fast. Acknowledge. What is the arity? Tell me fast. Arity means what? Number of attribute 1, 2, 5, 6. So here arity is here. Second point is cardinality. Cardinality means what? Number of tuples. You can say here cardinality is also by 1, 2, 5, 6. These are the 2 point. These are the 2 point. Cardinality is what? Number of tuples. And arity means what? Number of rows. Next is what? Relational schema. Relational Relational schema means what? Table abstraction. Technical language you can say table abstraction or table heading, or you can say name of the table, or you can say template. Name of the table, my dear, name of the table. For example, if this student table contain 1 lakh tuple, if this student table contain 1 lakh tuple, but I don't need all the values of these 1 lakh tuples, I just want whatever, what is the name of table and whatever attribute that table, only that thing. Example, here student is the table name. What we have? Student ID, student name, branch, gender, age, and CGP. Next point is what? Relational instance. Relational instance. Now you tell me, beta, what is the meaning of relational instance? Each and everyone tell me fast. Each and everyone tell me fast. What is the meaning of relational instance? Yes, very good. Gate EGCSE, very good. Set of records. Okay. And next one is extension. Extension means what? Table itself. Table itself might for the table. Now please, sir, again you start na. Yes, I am going to start beta RDBMS. Relational Database Management System. Relational Database Management System is a system in which database is represented in the form of relation. And those are listening me, beta, listen. You will get different datas also. I will not waste your time here. है ना, you will get different data which I not teach in crash course. Okay, although I am teaching the same topic, I am not teaching any topic which is not in gate, but you will get different combination also. And if you thinking na ki sir, I attend the crash course also, should I attend your class right now? है ना, so daily 1 hour I have to come. Yes, definitely you will get different datas also. Some concepts are same, but more or less you will get some new things which I not explain in the crash course. You will get some new methods, some new techniques, some new varieties of questions, and all the standard book exercise questions. You will get it. Okay. So we are discussing about the relational DBMS, and in which database is represented in the form of relation. Relation is nothing, it's a table. Or table is a collection of row and column. Row is called tuple ya record. Tuple or record, my dear. And column is called field or attribute. Now we discuss one student database in which we have a SID, the name, branch, gender, age, and CGPA, my dear. So here, first of all, we are discussing what is the meaning of arity. Arity means what? Number of attribute. Arity means what? Number of attributes. How many number of attribute are there here? How many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 attribute are there. Next, cardinality means number of tuple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Schema not count in number of tuples. Then relational schema means what? Table abstraction or table heading, like student table and having SID, SName, branch, sender, age and CG. Next is relational instance, means what? Set of records. What? For example, you have a 1 lakh student. You have a 1 lakh student, but I am asking ki how many student having a CGPA 9 or greater than 9. So you are getting these 6 tuples. These are called set of records at a particular moment, whatever tuple. Then extension, that is called table itself. Now I am going to, bachcho, till now crystal clear everyone? Acknowledge fast everyone. Bachcho, today literally acknowledge please. Kindly participate. Now FD. FD. Functional dependence. Functional. What is the meaning of FD? What is the meaning X functional? X functionally determine. Sir, first of all, please explain what is the meaning of FD. FD means what? First of all, before explaining, as usual, I am taking the example. As usual, I am taking the examples so that you will get, each and everything. Okay. Here you can see AB. What happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You tell me in which FD is satisfying. You tell me, my dear student, in which FD is satisfying. Tell me please everyone. I am taking example. Everyone participate and tell me please. Yes, tell me my dear student, in which FD is satisfying. In which FD is satisfying. Tell me fast. This is the example number 1. Second. Third. Fourth. Tell me please. And how we check? How we check? First of all, if FD not exist now, we are not able to do anything. What is the meaning of FD? Functional dependency. First of all, it is not a fixed deposit. It is not a fixed deposit. FD means what? Functional dependency. And what is the meaning of functional dependency? If FD not exist, you are not able to do anything, my dear. According to me, है ना, you are not able to do. You are saying candidate key is important, primary key is important. Are how you we get the key? Just because of FD. So what is the meaning of FD? If FD not exist, you are not able to visit your roll number also. FD means what, sir? FD means what? First of all, please explain the FD means. So my dear student, What is the meaning of functional dependency? What is the meaning of functional dependency? First of all, yes, first of all, you let me know which one is correct. In first, there is FD. I'm checking, don't worry, bacha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 पे 8, पे 8. 4 पे wrong. Second is saying anyone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 पे 6, 2 पे 6, 4 पे 8, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 5. Wrong. Correct. So you are getting first, third, fourth, and sixth. Now you have a question. Some of the students are new and don't know what is the meaning of FD. I am explaining. Don't worry, bacha. Let R be the relational schema. Please put your pen down, everyone. Consider a relational schema R. You can say. Consider a relational schema R with X and Y be the attribute set of relation R. X and Y be the attribute set of relation R, and T1 and T2 any two tuples such that when what happening, bacha, X tends to Y exist if my dear student, if T1 dot X equal to dot X, then T1 dot Y equal to dot Y must be same. Must be same. What I am saying, bacha, what is the meaning of X tends to Y? Whenever you feel it, my dear, you feel it. Whenever I insert my roll number, then my result will be displayed. Let us assume my roll number is 11. Yeah, my roll number is 56. Whenever I insert roll number 56, whenever I insert roll number 56, Vijay result will be displayed. Whenever I insert roll number 11, let us assume Abhay result will be displayed. Abhay result will be displayed. Are you getting my point? This is the meaning of FD. Whenever X value repeat, for example, Shyam, your roll number is, let's suppose, 25. So whenever you insert roll number 25, Shyam result will be displayed. After 2 hours, yeah, after 1 day, you result roll number 25, then Shyam result will be displayed, neither Sudeep nor GATE EGCS. Clear, bacha? So this is the meaning of X tends to Y. Yeah, FD. What happened? That means in X tends to Y, whenever X value repeat, corresponding Y value must be same. Y value must be same. Now you have a question. Sir, why the previous in this, why it is fail? Here X value not repeat. Here X value not repeat. But here you can see 4 determine 4 to 5 and 4 to any. Whenever I insert roll number 4, let's suppose this person result will be displayed. Again I insert roll number 4, different person result will be. Let us assume you are the topper. So when you insert your roll number, your result will be displayed. After half an hour, you are again insert your roll number. Any student who having the 3 back, that result will be displayed. Think what happened. You say, na sir, what is the problem in this? Just ignore it, sir. Think big. No, bacha. Here. Here, what is saying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 4, 2, 8. Correct, sir. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is not X value repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. X1, Y1, X1, Y5. Wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have a one question also. Sir, you know, एक गलती तो भगवान भी माफ करता है. Sir, please, sir. Here only one mistake, sir. Here only one mistake. 5 to 6 is okay, sir. 5 to 6 is okay. But here only this one mistake. Only one mistake, na, sir. Please forgive, sir. Please forgive, sir. My dear student, these FDs are applied on not only these instances. What is my meaning? What I am telling, my dear, ki based on the instance, you can't tell about the complete table. You can't conclude. But based on the FDs, you can conclude. Are you getting my point? Right now, whatever decision I am taking based on the instance, but only based on the instance. It is not applicable ki in future. For example, here I am saying it is satisfying. Here I am saying X tends to Y is satisfying only for these instance. Not conclude for the complete table. Not conclude for the complete table. For example, here you can see if I insert here 2 which having the 7, then what happen? In future, after some period of time, I insert 2 and Y value is 7. Then what happen? It fail. Are you getting my point? So based on the instance, we can only say only for instance. We can't conclude about the table. And here we are talking about the table, bacha. So here for above instance, these are satisfied. Clear, bacha? This is the meaning of FD, functional dependency. How you remember? It's very simple. Whenever my roll number repeat, my result will be displayed. That is the meaning of FD. That is the meaning of FD. Clear, bacha? Each and everyone crystal clear? Write down in chat box. You are very lethargic, bacha. Throat infection I have in my throat, but lazy you are. Huh? Please. Then we discuss the type of FD. Mainly there are two type of FD. Trivial FD and non-trivial FD. But Sima only clear, beta. What is the doubt? Ask. Why you are not getting feeling, beta? We have one more, which is neither trivial nor non-trivial. That is called semi-non-trivial or semi-trivial. So first of all, I am discussing about the trivial FD. Trivial. X tends to Y, a trivial FD, if and only if X is set of, if and only if X is superset of Y, my dear. That means right hand side attribute. RHS means what? Right hand side attribute. Right hand side attribute must be equal or part of left hand side attribute. Equal or part of left hand side attribute. Equal or part of left hand side attribute. For example, AB determine A, AB determine B, or AB determine A, B. These are the trivial. What is the meaning of Sima? What is the meaning of FD? FD means what? Sima, let us assume your roll number is 29. 29. Roll number Sima. So whenever you write roll number 29, my dear student, roll number 29, then Sima result will be displayed. That is the meaning of FD. Ki whenever X value repeat, then y value must be same. Sir, x will be primary key as FD is reused. Beta, just wait. Seema, primary key has a different concept that we will discuss when we have a complete schema. Right now, I am only taking two attribute A and B. Getting my point? I will discuss each and everything: primary key, candidate key, alternative key, surrogate key. What beta? Surrogate. Surrogate key also we will discuss. So don't worry, bacha. We will discuss each and everything. So what I am saying, there are three type of FD: trivial FD, non-trivial FD, and semi-non-trivial FD. Yes, Sudeep, trivial FD always satisfy. Why? Trivial means what? Khud ka khud se. Are you getting my point? That's why trivial FD are always satisfied. Second one is non-trivial FD. And we have to focus on that's all. Because trivial FD are always Seema, clear beta? The X will be Seema. Right now I am not discussing about the key. This are you getting my point? This is the advantage key. If if what is the advantage of FD? Like let us assume here two appearing 5,000 time. Two appearing 5,000 time. Instead of writing 5,000 time, if I am saying x tends to y is satisfying, you will write only one time. This is the advantage that I will discuss. And if FD not exist, you are not able to do anything according to me. You are not able to do the attribute closure. You are not able to find the candidate key, not able to find the super key, candidate key, primary key, and everything depend on here. These are the root या basic. Okay. Now we discussing non-trivial FD. What is the meaning of non-trivial FD? X tends to Y. Non-trivial if X intersection Y is phi. Most of the place you say only this line. But beta, if I am saying A tends to C, but that must satisfying the FD definition also. Only intersection phi is not necessary, not only complete, that satisfying the FD definition also. Or what is the FD definition? T1 dot x equal to T2 dot x, then T1 dot y equal to T2 dot y must be. And x tends to y must satisfy FD definition. FD definition. Okay, bacha, this is the meaning of non-trivial FD. For example, A to B or SID से S name, SID to S name, or A to C, A to E. This is the meaning of non-trivial. Clear, बच्चों? Each and everyone crystal clear. Write down in chat box. Write down in chat box. Everyone acknowledge fast. बच्चों please acknowledge. Each and everyone. Yes, my dear. Now, yes, Sudeep, very good. Now, third one is what? Semi non-trivial. Semi non-trivial means neither trivial nor non-trivial. Mean to say x tends to y. Yeah, you can say semi non-trivial means what? Neither x is a superset of y and x intersection y is not equal to y. For example, AB determine B. AB determine BC. AB determine BC. Neither AB is the superset of BC or nor common is phi, my dear. These are the type of FDs. Here in x tends to y, x is called determinate, or it is called dependent or determiner. This is the meaning of X and Y. Again I brief. Bachcho, we are discussing about the FD. FD means what? FD means what? FD means not a fixed dependence. FD means what? Functional dependence. And functional dependency means what? Whenever my value repeat, whenever my roll number repeat, my result will be displayed. My result will be displayed. And how you say in a technical term? How you say in a technical term? Ki whenever X value repeat in X tends to Y, whenever X value repeat, corresponding Y value must be same. Here X and Y is called what? X is called determinate and Y is called dependent or determinant. Clear bacha? This is the meaning. Then we'll discuss this example. Like roll number 11 is for Abhay. So whenever I insert roll number 11, then Abhay result will be. Whenever I insert roll number 56, then Vijay result will be. Whenever I insert roll number 29, then Seema result will be. Then Seema, you are asking one thing na. So instead of writing n number of time, we will write for each tuple one time. This is the advantage that I will use in primary key and in keys. Clear? Now there are three type of FDs. Mainly we have to focus on non-trivial FD. And what is the trivial FD? No need to check. Why? It is reflexive. It is a mirror image, you can say. But in non-trivial, first of all, nothing is common in X and Y, and that must satisfying the FD definition. And semi non-trivial, neither X superset or nor intersection is phi. Now this is the question. You have to find which FD is satisfying. Non-trivial. Semi non-trivial is not asking. Why? Because semi non-trivial is nothing. You can see here AB, when you apply the splitting rule, AB to B and AB to C, this become trivial and this become non-trivial. Are you getting my point? Neither completely trivial nor completely non-trivial before splitting. Clear bacha? And only I told here कि we have a very important is semi non-trivial. Now in this question, Shyam, in this question, tell me which one is satisfying according to the given instance. I am giving the options. First of all, how to find non-trivial, how to make a combination. Pick X. Pick X. What are the combination? X to Y, X to Z, X to Y, X to Y, X to Z, and X to YZ. Second, Y to X, Y to Z, Y to XZ. You can see these are non-trivial because intersection is phi. Now you have to check FD satisfying or not. And how you check? Whenever my roll number repeat, my result will be that T1 dot X equal to T2 dot X, then T1 dot Y equal to T2 dot Y. Z to X, Z to Y, Z to XY. Next, XY to Z to attribute, YX to Z, not YX, YZ to X, XY to Z, YZ to X, and XZ to. Now you tell me which FDs are satisfying and which FDs are not satisfying. Tell me fast. What is the correct answer for this? What is the correct answer for this question, everyone? Let me know fast, fast, fast. Please, everyone, do it fast. Everyone, everyone, everyone. So I am reading each and every chat. Participate. I don't know what is the correct answer. You let me know. You let me know. Please, everyone. You let me know. May I start? Now listen. Each and everyone listen. Listen, 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 listen. Each and everyone listen. First of all, we are checking x tends to y or not. X tends to y or not. You can see 3 determine 3, 3 determine 1. That is wrong. That is wrong. X tends to z. 3 determine 7. Yes. 1 determine 7. Yes, sir. This is correct. This is correct. Only this one is correct. This one is correct, my dear. This one is correct. You can say this one is correct. Now, x tends to yz. At 3, 3, 7. But at 3, 1, 7. At 3, 1, 7. This one is also wrong. Y2x. Y2x. At 3. At 3. That is also wrong. Whatever is correct, I only that tick mark. Y2z. 3 to 7. Yes. Yes. And 1 to 7. Yes. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct, sir. Next. Y2xz. 3 पे 3 7. 3 पे 1 7. Wrong, sir. Wrong, sir. Wrong. Z to x. At 7 3. At 7 1. Wrong, sir. Z to y. At 3 7 3. At 7 1. Wrong. Z to xy. 7 3 3. At 7 3 1. Wrong, sir. XY tends to Z or not. So 3 3 पे 7. 3 3 repeat. No, sir. 3 1 not repeat. 1 3 पे 7. 1 3 पे 7. 1 1 okay. Now, sir. Next. YZ. 3 7. 3 7 पे 3. 7 पे 1. 3 7 पे 7 पे 1. That is 4. XZ. XZ. 3 7 पे 3. 3 7 1. Wrong. Wrong, my dear, wrong. So all are wrong. Remaining all are wrong, my dear student. How many FDs are valid? Here only 3 FDs are valid. And what are the 3 FDs? X determine Z, Y determine Z, and XY determine. These are the valid non-trivial. These are the valid non-trivial FD. These are the valid non-trivial FD. Crystal clear, everyone? Each and everyone crystal clear? Kindly let me know, my dear. Kindly let me know. Please. Chamka. Jadip, I don't know how many lecture I will take because this is a not crash course. And I will take each and everything. Now solve this one. Solve this one. What is asking? Consider the following relation. This is the example of the standard book. This is the example of the standard book. 4th Navathe Ulman book. This is the exercise question of this standard. So please, you will get the benefit. Don't think we have done this. Don't think. Consider the following relations. Okay. Given the extension, it is mentioned extension. Which of the following dependencies may hold in the above relation? If dependency not hold, then why? What is the reason of violation? But you no need to take the reason. You give the first A determine B, B determine C, C determine B, B determine A, and C determine A. Which one is satisfying, my dear? Tell me fast. Tell me fast, my dear. First of all, A determine B or not? Tell me fast, everyone. Tell me fast. You write the number like 1, second, first, fourth. Like I'm checking A tends to 10 पे B1, 10 पे B2. Getting my point? So what we can say, A determine B is fail. This one wrong. Now B determine C. B determine C. B1, B2, B4. You can see B1 पे C1, B1 पे C1. B3 पे C4, B3 पे C4, B2 and B4. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, Vijay sir. Second one is okay. B tends to C according to this relational instance. Yes, sir. Satisfying. Satisfying, sir. Now check for third one. C determine B. C determine B. C1 पे B1, C1 पे B4. Wrong, sir. Wrong. C determine B. Wrong, sir. Next, B determine A. B determine A. B determine A. B1 10, B1 13. Wrong, sir. Wrong. B determine A. Wrong, sir. Clear? Now check C determine A. C determine A, my dear. C determine A. C determine A. C1 पे 10. C1 पे 11. Getting my point? How you can say only fifth one is also fail na beta? Fifth one is also fail. Fifth one is also fail. Six, C determine A, fail. Only B determine C, that is 1, 3, 4, 5 cause the violation. Each and every one crystal clear, then kindly make a heart या लिख दीजिए chat box में. Please everyone. Please everyone, tell me fast. Each and everyone acknowledge fast. Everyone. Now, this one, bachcho, I am giving some homework question. I am giving some homework question. God bless you, everyone. God bless you. I am giving some homework question. One, I will take in tomorrow class. And this is the question. Ask in GATE 2002 mark. GATE 2002 mark. You can take the screenshot. No problem. I will ask the answer from all these questions. This is asking in GATE 2002 marks. GATE 2002 mark. Bachcho, what we do na, we are giving some homework question. But please, if you participate, definitely you will get very good topics. Very good, each and everything in complete systematic form. Believe me. But it totally depend on both of you, me as well as you. And this GATE 2015 one, GATE 2015 one mark my. These are the topic. Now you let me know, my dear student. You let me know, is there is any doubt? Is there is any doubt? First of all, yes. Now there is a Q&A session. There is any doubt? And one thing I am requesting to all of you, Hana, please be present in each and every session, because you know consistency is very important. Consistency is very important. If you present, definitely you will get each and everything, because in this time beta Shyam, very good, thank you Sudeep and Sima, Sudeep, Shyam, Sen, Jadeep, GTGCSE, each and everyone in these sessions. Sima, today I will give only 4 questions. In these sessions, I will take more and more questions also. I will give as a homework for practice questions. The last. So you can pause the video and then note down, then solve the question. And that question I will discuss in the next class. It will save your time and you will get some practice question also. And whatever question I am taking, that is a standard book exercise questions, examples, yeah, gate question. Okay, not any prerequisite is required. Whatever I am explaining, that is I have only from the basic. Sharma, I am explaining from the basic. Okay, so बच्चों, thank you everyone, thank you each and everyone. God bless you. Thank you everyone.